Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Interesting little fact with bench testing. A 9-volt battery will power this thing on. So I'm going to enter the wrong code 4 times. Oh, not enough to really keep it going. It should be trying to give me it off. Let me disconnect this thing. Yeah, 9-volt battery is not enough. You need 12. In this video, I want to share with you how you can know if you have a bad ABS module. Tip number one, you have a Volvo built after 1995. So if your car's a 1996 all the way up to about 2006, probably has a bad ABS module. If you're ever driving along and you see that ABS or track light up, chances are you got a bad ABS module. If you're driving down the street and your speedometer is intermittent, speedometer works sometimes it don't, probably got a bad ABS module. If it's really bad and you're driving down the street, your odometer quits counting miles, probably got a bad ABS module. If you're driving down the street and you put your foot on the brake and it gyrates your foot, feel like you're running over a bunch of small pebbles, your ABS module is probably bad. The problem with these ABS modules is they have this little computer board in them, and they have dozens of tiny solder joints. And these right along here and right here, they're all soldered by a computer, and they have a very little bit of solder there. And when the solder breaks because of temperature variance or just because they have so little bit of solder on there that they eventually break, it gives error codes and causes the system to malfunction. So you need to take these things, ship them in to somebody that knows how to properly resolder these connections, and then get it back from them. Not a real big deal, and you can even drive the car with these removed. However, you won't have ABS braking. You probably won't have a speedometer. You won't have cruise, and you won't have an odometer until you get one put back in. So a lot of people go to the vendors and have one shipped to them and remove theirs and ship theirs back as a core replacement. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Well, the time has finally come for me to replace this wire harness from this hinge area. I don't know if you guys remember, I got all these wires breaking in here. This thing is trash. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the harness with one that I got from the salvage yard. And I actually got a spare from the salvage yard. And both of them do not have broken wires in them. So if you need one, contact me, let me know. I'll sell you one, ship it to you. But I'm going to go ahead and pull this stuff apart so I can replace mine. Now the downside I realized to mine is I got to take off my rear spoiler. I forgot about that, and these screws don't look like the best, so I hope that's not going to be an issue for me. I'm going to take this off first before I mess with the rest of it, but hopefully when I replace this wire harness, I'll no longer have problems with my central locking. So let's go ahead and get this cracking. 5:14 p.m. Strip screw right there. I'm out till I drill that out. Got another radio in here that works. All the lights are lit on it. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.